Hello, what's going on, you guys? We got the cotton candy blizzard from Dairy Queen, and she's melting. So, here's what she looks like. We're gonna go ahead and try this out. And cheers, you guys. Let me give this a shot. You know what I need? I need my cotton candy Oreo cookies to dip in this Oreo cotton candy blizzard. That would make a perfect pair right now. Dairy Queen. I hadn't been here for a hot second. You guys, look. Check her out. They got little sprinkles. Looks like a birthday birthday cake sprinkles all throughout the ice cream here. And the ice cream itself is like a light pinkish type deal. So they really went for the cotton candy theme today. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. I would probably buy again. So, cheers, you guys. Go ahead and try this out. And it is super hot right now. So everything is melting nicely right here. You guys, all right. That is phenomenal. And I got a regular Coke to go with this. I haven't been to Dairy Queen in a hot minute. You guys, so let me see. I got the fries. I wanted to get the cheese curds, but we'll go ahead and get that next time. Here's what the fries look like. The packaging is on point. I really did that. And try this out. Cheers. Okay, you know what we're going to do with the fries? We are going to dip the fries into the blizzard. I am spontaneous today. Alright. So, cheers again, you guys. Let me do this, dunk the fries right here. Their fries are pretty, crispy. They got a light season to the French fries here. So you just dip your fries into the blizzard like so. And then now you got cotton candy French fries. This is really good stuff here, right, guys, right here. Alright. Now the feature of the show. What did I get? Actually, the feature of the show is that cotton candy blizzard. Let's see what kind of burger we got. We got the original burger from Dairy Queen. It comes with 2 patties right here. And looks like 3 pickles. Let me see if you guys can see that. There we go. And you guys get the first bite as always. Cheers. You know what? This double patty cheeseburger ain't bad at all. I give it a 7 out of 10 today. if I were to compare this to the McDouble that I had yesterday, this would be probably better than the McDouble. You guys, the Dairy Queen original, they call this the original burger. I don't know why, but it's got 2 patties in it, so it's like a McDouble, I guess, but she's bigger than the McDouble at McDonald's. The fries I give a 6 out of 10. But they are lightly seasoned, you guys. I don't know which one to pick up and eat first, the Blizzard or the burger. They're really extremely delicious. See if I can get a cringy thumbnail in real quick. All right, very cringy. Okay. Woo! I just wanted to get that out of the way, you guys. I have one more bite here with this delicious freaking cotton candy Blizzard. I don't know how they're doing it, but they knocked it out of the ballpark. Dairy Queen, don't take this off your menu. It's a 10 out of 10. You'll probably see other people vlogging this here real shortly. Really delicious stuff. It is, again, the Cotton Candy Blizzard by Dairy Queen. It feels like I had the same meal that we had yesterday, so we're going to switch it out to something else. Thanks for hanging out with your girl today, and until the next one, I will see you guys later.